Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Marifel Rodillas Bacton, 34 years old, married, with 2 children, age of 14 years old daughter and 11 years old son. I live in Colingres, Cabatuan, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm the second child of the family. I undergraduate at BSed Secondary Education.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work at Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for 2 years to a couples with children 5 months old and 5 years old. I do it all household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, and car washing. My main duty is to taking care of their child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure their safety. When baby is sick, I'll check their temperature.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have allergy to a certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for my family, especially for my children, and also to be financially secure for the future.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my parents, or in-laws.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'll focus to myself and I remind that I will need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually asleep around 10 p.m. After my work, I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more calmer and patient.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to rent ban in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Skidamaring, ading, ading, skidamaring, adu. Skidamaring, ading, ading, skidamaring, adu. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and moonlight in the I love you.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I'm a hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise that I will serve your family to all my best. Thank you.